As you can probably guess by the name, hybrid cloud tries to maximize value by focusing on the strengths of each strategy. Given that Global Mantix already has private data centers, it would make sense to utilize those assets. They can augment their existing infrastructure by tying into the public cloud rather than growing their private sites. In addition to just scaling, this also provides new capabilities. As a personal example, I enjoy using Amazon's developer services like Code Build, Code Commit, and Code Pipeline. Such services could be handy for developers at Global Mantix as they work on the CRM app, regardless of where the app actually gets deployed. The number one benefit is flexibility. If you make the wrong choice by deploying the CRM app to the public cloud when it really should have gone into the private cloud, just move it. If you didn't buy enough servers for your private cloud to host your existing apps, move some of them to the public cloud. This adaptability helps overcome planning and execution inaccuracies. Edge computing is a completely different paradigm for app development. This is a distributed compute design whereby rather than centralizing massively scalable data centers in a small number of locations, we distribute less powerful computers to a large number of locations. Your city's fire department is a centralized shared resource like a cloud computing environment. Placing a fire extinguisher in every home is like an edge computing environment. There is endless debate about whether cloud or edge computing is more reliable, secure, cost-effective, or scalable. Rather than debate these topics, I'll state an undisputed fact that edge computing is faster. By putting apps closer to users, we substantially reduce the time it takes for users to interact with those apps. If you've ever tried to access services on another continent, you've probably experienced unpleasant delays. The best use case for edge computing is to support the Internet of Things, or IoT. Think about wearable electronics, autonomous vehicles, smart streetlights, and other things that aren't traditional IT endpoints. In some industrial applications such as manufacturing, mining, and medical surgery, machines need to operate with precision. The IoT-enabled instruments need to talk back to their controller, which, if hosted at the edge, is very close by. This shortens the command and response cycle. Other applications include branch offices or tactical military networks where access back to a main headquarters is not always guaranteed. Next, let's talk about how we can virtualize our apps should we decide to.